Hello, and welcome to dbLinkUp. dbLinkUp increases productivity by allowing users to view critical QuickBooks data from ACT. dbLinkUp does not require QuickBooks to be installed on your ACT workstations. It eliminates double data entry by syncing ACT and QuickBooks, giving users real-time access to information. dbLinkUp allows users to view accounts payable and accounts receivable QuickBooks transactions in ACT. As you can see in this screen, we are viewing the summary of this customer's information from QuickBooks. For a more detailed view, let's click on Accounts Receivable. This will give us a list of this customer's transactions from QuickBooks. This customer has one transaction, and this will give us a full detail of that transaction. Now let's view a vendor. If you notice, this has changed to Vendor Summary, which again gives us a summary of this vendor's information from QuickBooks. For a more detailed view, let's click on Accounts Payable. This again will give us a list of this vendor's transactions from QuickBooks. This vendor has 3 transactions. Let's click on one of the bills. And this again has given us a full detailed view of that transaction. dbLinkUp also provides tiered user levels, enabling secured access to sensitive QuickBooks data. To create users, simply select from a list of users and assign the role. We have 3 roles to choose from. The administrator, which has full access, the manager has read and write, and the standard has read-only rights. Let's assign Melissa Pierce as a manager. Simply click on Create, and this new user has been saved. To edit a current user's rights, simply go back to Tools, Security, and Update or Delete Users. We can update Melissa Pierce's role as a manager to standard, and simply click on Update. As you can see, that has been saved. To delete a user, simply click on Select and Delete. Melissa Pierce has been deleted in the list of users for dbLinkUp. To show that dbLinkUp does not require QuickBooks to be installed in your ACT workstations, we have created 2 virtual machines, one having only the ACT application and the other only QuickBooks. Now there are 4 ways to create your link of your ACT contacts and your QuickBooks records. The first is by creating a new record and establishing a link in QuickBooks from the current ACT contact. This current ACT contact is not in QuickBooks. Using dbLinkUp, we will now create a new record in QuickBooks from this current ACT contact. Choose from the drop-down if this contact is a customer or a vendor. Before creating the record and link, you can edit any of the fields that will be recorded in QuickBooks. Click Next. Then, a final check of the link that will be established will be shown. Click Finish. Then this ACT contact is now linked and recorded in QuickBooks. The second way to create a link is by linking an existing ACT contact to an existing QuickBooks record. Let's pull up a contact, Cadbury. Cadbury is also in QuickBooks. Let's create this link by choosing the second option in the Establish a Link window. Cadbury is a customer in QuickBooks, so let's choose Customer. dbLinkUp will then pull the list of all customers in QuickBooks and allow you to choose which record you want to link the current ACT contact to. The final check of the link that will be established and this ACT contact is now linked to a QuickBooks record. The third way to create a link is by linking an existing ACT lookup to an existing QuickBooks record. Let's pull up a company, Parsley. This lookup shows us that Parsley is a company with 5 contacts. As you can see, Parsley is also in QuickBooks as a vendor. Before creating the link, check if the contacts in the current lookup are what you wish to link to the QuickBooks record. Let's create this link by choosing the third option in this window. Since Parsley is a vendor in QuickBooks, let's choose Vendor. A message box to inform us that any previously linked contact from the current lookup will not be changed. dbLinkUp will then pull the list of all vendors in QuickBooks and allow you to choose which record you want to link the current ACT contact to. Then a final check of what contacts will be linked, and the contacts of this ACT lookup are now linked to the Parsley record in QuickBooks. Finally, the fourth way to create a link is by linking all of your ACT contacts with matching QuickBooks records. To demonstrate this feature, we have created 3 records in QuickBooks that match 3 ACT contacts: Black Forest Baking, Finch Legal Aid, and Malcolm Hall Associates. In ACT, they are not linked to QuickBooks as well. Finch is not linked, Black Forest Baking is not linked, and neither is Malcolm Hall Associates. So let's link these 3 ACT contacts that have matching records in QuickBooks. Let's create this link by choosing the 4th option in the Establish a Link window. Since the matching records are vendors in QuickBooks, let's choose Vendor. Click Next to start the process. Now you see that Malcolm is linked, so is Black Forest Baking and Finch Legal Aid. After creating links between your ACT contacts and QuickBooks records, you may also edit or remove the links. Let's pull up another company, Super Clean. Super Clean is currently linked with QuickBooks. To edit this link, simply go to the QuickBooks menu under the dbLinkUp tab and choose Create Edit Contact Link. Note that when you click on it from a linked contact, it shows you a summary of which QuickBooks record it is linked to and 2 actions to choose from. Select a different record in QuickBooks to link and remove this link. Let's select a different record. A warning asking us if we want to continue. Click Yes, and we're taken back to the Establish a Link window. Let's choose the second option. Note that the link has been removed, and dbLinkUp now allows you to choose a different company from a list of customers pulled from QuickBooks. A quick review, and the new link has been established. Now let's undo and remove this link. Simply go back to the QuickBooks menu under the dbLinkUp tab and choose Create Edit Contact Link. This time let's choose Remove this link. Click Yes, and the link has been removed.